Hey y'all, hey y'all. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's me, Moody, and today, if y'all see a Sephora bag, 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, it's because of Rihanna. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the new concealer as well as the powder. So I read up on the foundation. If you don't know already, I'm in the shade 440. I got the concealer in the shade 430, the Instant Retouch concealer. Excited. And I got the Pro Filt'R Instant Retouch setting powder in the shade Honey. And I also got the Gloss Bomb in the color Fenty Glow. I'm gonna try to not talk so much in this video because I don't want this video to be like uber long. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm going to start by priming my face with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion primer. This is like my favorite primer. I don't have the Fenty primer anymore, and I did not get any more of that. Rihanna, if I could get a reimbursement of some sort, that would be great. Y'all know I don't too much do my foundation super thick. I have pretty nice skin, you know. Now we can apply our concealer. I'm using the Pro Filt'R Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 430. The packaging is just like the bottle, so that's cool. And then the doe foot, I don't even know if it's considered a doe foot because it's kind of slender, but yeah, I'm just gonna apply that. Oh, it looks so, ooh, that's probably enough. So y'all know when I do my reviews or when I do my demos, I typically, I don't know if y'all know, I typically don't like to watch any other videos so I can like form my own opinion. Using the Real Techniques beauty sponge to blend it out, or shall I let it sit first? I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and go ahead and put my contour. I'm contouring with the Black Opal foundation stick in the color Black Walnut. I love contouring with these foundation sticks. I should have got a match stick. Is that what they're called? The Fenty sticks, but I already spent too much. Y'all know I'm gonna put this video out before I put any other video out. I still got videos on my Mac. Now I'm gonna blend out the concealer. Okay, probably let it dry a little bit too long. Let's see. A little bit. Oh, I'm liking the color. So they do dry kind of fast. I'm having to like rub it almost to blend it out, but that's okay. I'm gonna put on some more. But y'all, this looks like skin. Like, even though it is like already dried, it's not like crusty. It's not like, it's not dry. It's not like moving off of my face. It looks so good. Oh, and I love this color. I could go a little bit lighter if I wanted to, but I actually like this one. Like my face, y'all. I gotta get this. Now, the setting powder. What? It's a mirror. Like a legit mirror. We gotta give it to her. She has the best packaging. Period. Anyways, so I got the color Honey. Like I said, I do not like to watch reviews. Oh, and it's a FB. Y'all can't see it. I know y'all can't, but the dots are FB. Anyways, like I said, I don't like to watch reviews before I try a product because I like to have my own opinion, especially if I plan on doing a video. But I did already hear that the setting powder is not good to bake with, and you just need to set, basically. So I'm gonna do a little in between, you know. I'm just not gonna have a ton, but I am gonna let it bake, basically. I'm gonna dab the excess on the back of my hand, and then color. Love it. Love it. Honey, come through. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to my eyes. Actually, it's like, it's kind of already melted into my skin. So actually I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it away. I'm not even gonna let it bake like I just said. Oh, it looks so nice. So basically I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face and I'll be back. Look at this, like, I love it. It's like perfect. My face is like perfect. It's perfect. Come on. Come through. Basically, this is a completed look. Beat, okay? Snatched, okay? Like, my face looks flawless. I love the concealer. I love the setting powder. The color is perfect. I even want to try a lighter shade. I didn't have to bake with it, so that was kind of cool to like see it warm up within like a matter of seconds. The gloss, yes, yes, I like the gloss. Yeah, so I mean, maybe this is more of a demo than a review because I basically like everything. I don't have anything bad to say about the product. Obviously, y'all know I love her packaging. The packaging is so unique. It's so different. It's beautiful. It's a mirror. A mirror, okay? The only bad thing I have to say is it's only in Sephora. Rihanna, do you know how much money I spent on these products? Ma'am, put me on the PR list, okay? The least you could do is get the products in Ulta so I can use my discount because I'm going broke. Let's get it together. And another thing, y'all, so I go in Sephora and the girl told me I had 100 redeemable points. Don't know how that happened because I only shop in Sephora for Fenty. So, well, that should let you know something, Rihanna. Yeah, the girl told me I had 100 points. I was like, bet, what can I get? These itty bitty scrawny gifts. Itty bitty scrawny gifts that are basically gifts with purchases at Ulta. You know what you get with 100 points at Ulta? $3 off your products. Like, come on, bruh. Come on. Rihanna, can you please go to Ulta too? Come on. What's wrong with us? What's wrong? Kylie them in Ulta? Come on. James Charles, all of them. Come on. Come over to the winning team. But anyways, you know, aside from that, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys basically enjoyed this demo. Y'all know I love Rihanna. You just can't deny the products. The package is so cute. The product's really good. It looks no filter, okay? Flawless. 50 Shades, baby. Like, come on. Give her props. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give me a huge thumbs up. Comment down, you know, some of your favorite Fenty products. Comment down what you thought of this video. Comment down what you want to see more videos of. Obviously, I'm going to put this one up before all of my other videos, and y'all know why. Yeah, make sure you click the bell, notification gang, all that. Yeah, subscribe. Yeah, yee. Hold on. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.